You're listening to the No Hustle Mom Show. I'm Stacy Brown, here to help you blend ambition with calm and motherhood with possibility. Think of this as your weekly reset, a space to quiet the hustle myths, cut through the noise, and uncover simple, sustainable ways to grow with confidence. So take a deep breath, pour yourself a coffee or tea, and let's step into clarity together. Your comeback doesn't have to be loud to matter. The truth is, the most lasting growth usually starts in silence, long before anyone else sees it. I learned that sitting at my kitchen table, laptop open, surrounded by notes, chasing validation with every task. I was building something new, but carrying the same old pressure. It turns out, you can start over without ever slowing down. That realization stopped me in my tracks. Here's the shift. Success doesn't need to be proved in public or powered by panic. It doesn't have to be fast or flashy to matter. In this episode, I'll show you how to redefine success through peace, sustainability, and self-leadership. We'll talk about the mistake that ruins most comebacks, moving too fast, too loud, and I'll walk you through a gentle 30-day quiet plan to help you move from output to alignment. The noisy comeback fails because it chases proof. You announce big goals, push harder, pile on projects, and end up rebuilding the same stress patterns you were trying to escape. It's approval disguised as ambition. The result? Short spikes, long crashes, and a nervous system that no longer trusts you. The quiet comeback measures success differently. Peace becomes progress. Calm confidence becomes the strategy. Sustainable growth becomes the win. If you remember one thing, let it be this: alignment always lasts longer than approval. My turning point came one quiet morning. I was surrounded by sticky notes and open tabs, refreshing analytics like they could tell me I mattered. That's when it hit me. I wasn't being productive. I was looking for permission. I was chasing validation and calling it work. Once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. So, I began to reset what self-worth meant. Your value isn't tied to how much you do. It's measured by the energy you protect, the presence you bring, and the boundaries you hold. When you start guarding your energy, something powerful happens. Your decisions become clearer and your work becomes sharper. So, what should you measure each week instead of chasing numbers or likes? Think of these 4 checkpoints. First, energy stability. Did your energy stay mostly steady with gentle dips and recoveries? Second, focused wins. Did you complete one meaningful thing instead of 10 scattered starts? Third, recovery capacity. Did you rest before you crashed? And finally, relationship ease. Were your conversations lighter, your boundaries clearer, your no's and yeses more honest? Those 4 measures tell the real story of your progress. Quiet practices make this real. Create during your best energy hours and schedule that work ahead so you're not rushing later. Use short voice notes or quiet audio messages instead of back-to-back meetings. They save time and protect your focus. Set up a simple welcome email that greets new people even while you rest. And give yourself one quiet day each week. No calls, no pressure, just light admin, reflection, or a walk to reset your mind. You'll also need gentle boundary scripts, simple phrases that help you protect your energy in real time. Try saying, "I'm available next week," or "I don't have capacity for that right now." You can even say, "That timeline doesn't align for me." Short, kind, and final. You don't owe anyone a long explanation. Every time you use one of these, you're teaching people how to respect your pace, and your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about the traps that quietly pull you off track. Sometimes it's announcing your plans too early, or saying yes to too much because you want to keep momentum. Other times, it's chasing vanity metrics or comparing your timeline to someone else's. Most of the time, it's not about needing more discipline. It's about needing fewer inputs, less noise, fewer tabs open, and more trust in your own rhythm. That's where the EAF model comes in: energy, alignment, and flow. Choose work that connects with at least two of those three every day. When I started doing that, something shifted. I gave myself permission to stop in the middle of the day without guilt. I closed the laptop, took a slow walk, and felt this quiet, almost rebellious kind of relief. That small pause rebuilt self-trust. My choices became sharper, and my rhythm finally felt real. When success feels calm on the inside, it naturally becomes consistent on the outside. The real game changer, the one nobody talks about, is steady, low-drama consistency. Not heroic sprints or big launches, just small wins that quietly build over time. That's where the 30-day quiet plan begins, with one anchor action a day. Reflect, reach out, or rest. Never all three. Most people try to do everything at once and burn out by week 2. You're going to master one lever at a time, at your own pace. Let's start with reflect, because reflection protects clarity. Clarity reduces decision fatigue and keeps you from confusing busyness with progress. Take 10 minutes to answer 3 simple questions. What energized me? What drained me? And what one priority matters most next? Set a timer, write in bullet points, and choose one action to move forward. You'll start spotting patterns quickly, like realizing afternoons feel heavy, or your best ideas come before the house wakes up. Keep it simple and real. This isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. Next is reach out, because connection fuels gentle growth. Real momentum doesn't come from posting more. It comes from small, meaningful conversations. Send one warm message, follow up with someone you've connected with before, and share one thing that might help them. Keep it human and specific. A note, a quick voice message, or a helpful resource. Skip the pitch. Just show up with care. Within a few days, you'll feel genuine momentum. No pressure, no performance. And then there's rest, because rest is strategic recovery. Your quality of work drops when your nervous system is tired. Rest isn't wasted time. It's how you protect clarity and execution. Take 20 to 30 minutes for a true reset. A walk, a nap, a stretch, or a few quiet minutes alone. Schedule it like a meeting. Leave your phone in another room and end with one simple thought. Here's my next smallest step. You'll come back sharper, calmer, and more focused. Your weekly rhythm is what makes this sustainable. Try 2 reflect days, 3 reach out days, and 2 rest blocks. On high energy weeks, swap 1 rest block for reflect. On slower weeks, trade a reach out day for rest without guilt. That flexibility keeps you consistent and protects you from burnout before it begins. Now let's protect your time with quiet systems. Create during your natural energy peaks, maybe Monday mornings, and schedule those pieces ahead. Use short voice notes or quick audio updates instead of meetings that drain you. Set clear prompts and gentle response windows, something like 24 to 48 hours, so you maintain depth without overwhelm. Build a simple automated welcome series that tells your story, offers a few high-value tips, and invites your listener or reader to the next step. It keeps connection alive, even when you're offline. And keep one Whitespace Friday each week. No calls, just light review, reflection, or a walk before school pickup. That rhythm keeps your creativity honest. Track what actually matters, not vanity metrics. Pay attention to conversations started, replies received, conversions made, your energy stability, and your recovery days. Every 7 days, run a quick check-in. Review your energy, alignment, and flow. Notice where things felt easy or heavy. Adjust one small thing. Maybe update a template, simplify your intake form, or write a quick reply script you can reuse. Those micro upgrades protect your focus and keep your work flowing. Here's your micro challenge. For 7 days, choose one anchor action each day. Use 2 clear boundaries that protect your time and give yourself 1 white space block to breathe and reset. It's small on purpose, steady progress without the crash. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Success that costs your peace isn't success. Alignment will always outlast approval. You're already rebuilding, one steady choice at a time, one quiet action, one honest pause, one moment that protects your energy and honors your season. Keep going. Every calm decision you make is part of your comeback. You're building something real, something sustainable, and it's already taking shape in ways you can't always see. Trust your pace. It's working. Thanks for listening to the No Hustle Mom Show. I hope you're leaving a little more organized, a little more focused, and ready to show up calmly. If this helped, share it with one introverted solopreneur mom who wants steady, honest growth. Do your daily one today, one small move you can finish, and notice what shifts. Before you go, grab this episode's extras in the No Hustle Lounge at nohustlelounge.com today, the listener guide, the checklists, and a 2-minute presence check. Subscribe to get calm, weekly practices delivered to you. No hustle, no burnout, no guilt. You've got this.